Okay, this is Starlink speed test. Don't know if you can see it, but it's 131 Mbps. It's 14.1 Mbps upload, and that's the download is 131 Mbps. I'll run it again. I'm going to run it again. It'll change because of usage, of course. That's 145 Mbps download and 16.9 Mbps upload and 48 ms latency, whatever that means. So yeah, that's a test I'm doing. It's Thursday today. I only put it on this morning, so yeah, this is another test. So this will be part 2 of my Starlink video. I'll do a few more tests. So yeah, hard to pick it up, but yeah, it's 16.9 Mbps upload, 145 Mbps download. Yeah, I'm just going to run another test. I've always run tests, but you can see what the speeds you can get out of this Starlink thing. So for your own benefit, which wherever you live could be a lot higher, like America or something like that. But Australia has restrictions and things, so. Yeah, so a download speed is 149 megabytes per second. The upload speed is 12.9 megabytes per second. Upload, so 12 I'm getting now out of it. 149 megabytes download, so it's much faster than the copper cables come to the house. NBN. I think the best I ever had was 3. So it's definitely 4 times faster than my best I ever had. So you can see what type of speeds you're getting out of this and all that type of thing. It's very hard to focus on the phone. I'll do another test again. Yeah, I don't know how true this test is. I'm not a technician. People out there maybe, but to me it's faster, and I've been using it and doing things. So that time it went to 93 megabytes per second download and 20 megabytes per second upload with 30 ms latency, whatever that means. I don't know what it means, that part of it. So whoever's the technical people out there can understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, I just want to upload these videos just to show you what speeds you can get out of standard Starlink dish. And it's a lot better than I had to deal with before. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.